Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I'm back with another subscribers art video here for 2024. And again, this is a person that, well, we go way back. I think at least a decade. He started following me on YouTube when he became curious about window painting. And he's already an artist. He does a lot of airbrushing and fine art, and does a lot of work on guitars and custom car culture type artwork, rat fink and things like that. But he's another really versatile artist, does a lot of different styles and a lot of different things. But yeah, he got involved with window painting. I have some videos where he's commented on, and the videos are like 10 years ago when he was just starting. But he's pretty prolific, and he's done a lot of stuff. He has a lot of clients in Pennsylvania, which is where he lives. And so let's go ahead and I will show you some pictures of his work and some different stuff like airbrush and sketches and things like that. So enjoy the work of John McGee. Here's some of John's awesome airbrush work. Check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking into the world of John McGee and his incredible artwork, his airbrush, his windows and everything. And stay tuned for the next Subscribers Art video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.